guys, so today we're going to be making a bracelet with beads on, but the beads don't move, see, like that, see. So first we need some loom bands, which I'm going to choose this colour. Sorry, you can see that, I'm going to choose this colour. Loom bands, you need, how many beads you want. You need an S clip. And yeah, so first you just want to go like that with your loom band. Another one on top. Over and over. Over. So you want to carry on until you get halfway through your loom band. So then you want to grab your bead. I've got two here. Just get your loom band and thread it through the whole of your bead. So like that. This, hook that on so you've got that. So your bead is in the middle. Thread through, but your string can't go over the bead. It has to stay that side of the bead. Same with your other one. There we go. Add another one. Then you can add another bead or add the other one at the end. I'm going to add my other bead. I'll show you this time. So get your bead, pinch it, thread it through like that. So the bead doesn't slide off. There we go. Bead doesn't move, it stays in place. Not over the side, otherwise it'll be sticking out. If you do it if the loom band goes over the side like that, then the bead, see, will be sticking out. It won't be like this yellow one, it'll be like this orange one and this pink one. So carry on like your normal loom band. Carry on until you get to the end of how long you want it. Now I have done it as long as I want it, the beads. Sometimes your bead does stick out even though you've done that, which I'm afraid you can't go back and change. So this purple one's okay, but the pink one stuck out a bit, but that's fine. So you've got the end of it. I like take it like that, stretch it, put your other finger in. Then you want to get an S clip, which I call it an S clip. Hook it on both of them. Then go to the other side. Hook it, pull, clip, like that. And there your very own bracelet with some beads on it. You can add more beads if you like. There you go. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.